Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Amjad and today we have a session about how to find a password of your connected Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity in Windows 10. So sometime our system is connected to Wi-Fi, but we forget the password of that Wi-Fi which is connected to your system. So you just have to click on this Wi-Fi icon or right click on that and open network and internet settings, and here we have a change adapter options. Just click on it and double click on Wi-Fi, and here we go, we have a wireless properties. You just have to click on it, and we have two options over here, connection and security as well. So you just have to click on security, and you just have to check show characters. So we find the password of our connected Wi-Fi, and it is my Wi-Fi password over here. So you can go with these kind of options and you can find the connected Wi-Fi password in Windows 10.